Hey guys, welcome to Joy of the Trade and this week's Buy It or Burn It. I'm doing a special S&P index rebalancing Buy It or Burn It edition. So guys, today is the day that the S&P 500 has decided to add Tesla in one shot in the largest edition in terms of volume and in terms of size in the history of the S&P 500. And so whenever the index is rebalanced, you have to sell other stocks to make room for the new stock. And so the index on the whole, a lot of these stocks are getting sold or have selling flow to add that unbelievable pressure of buying flow that Tesla has been experiencing. So back in my prop trading days, this was a very, very juicy, followed, loved, pretty consistent fade trade to put on at the market close because they've got all these index funds have to get these positions on before Monday's open. So, i.e., by 2 days close, these guys need those positions. They need that stock. They need to rebalance. So, let's walk through the buy it or burn it recommendation I have for the S&P 500 rebalance. And so it is Microsoft. It is Microsoft. Buy Microsoft and burn Tesla. If you look at this green chart, this is the day, this is Tesla, and this is Tesla since being announced to be added to the S&P 500. And it is up from, a little bit under $400, around $400 to over $600. Not a bad move for 1 month. And Microsoft has been sold the entire time. It hasn't really done much, even though the market's been pretty bid and making all-time highs. So there's this pressure that's been keeping Microsoft down, been keeping demand down, and people are just having to buy Tesla to put this in this position. I don't know what the S&P guys were thinking when they decided to do it all in one lump sum, but if you look at the historic returns here of other really large additions, we've got Berkshire, right? So Berkshire in 2010, market cap at the time was $177 billion. They put in 1.28%. And so they had excess return 14.5% going into it. So after that, though, on effective date, minus 2.9%. So 3 months later, it was down 4%, Berkshire. JDS Uniphase in 2000 was down 22%. 3 months later, after the effective date, Yahoo was down 45%. So the top four of these, AOL at the time did really well in 98, but these top four all went down effectively 3 months after the rebalance, which would be today. So Tesla, from a probability standpoint, will be lower from this point today, just based on this. Another thing to look at here, and this is just the size. You can see that this weighting, look at this flow. Tesla had to put on $78 billion. So Microsoft, $4 billion in selling, which was almost, net flow. So this was the average turnover is $6 billion. So almost a full day's flow of selling. And this was 4 times the average. And so since that, 46% minus 1%. And that's why we are where we are. And when you see these rebalances, you see all these stocks have to be sold. You see all these stocks are, a little bit incrementally being sold, but the big flows are what we're looking for, is what we're looking for. So a lot of people do the basket of this stuff, but either way, it's a pretty good buy it or burn it probability bet that you'd want to burn Tesla and you'd want to buy Microsoft after on the rebalance close today or Monday into the next 3 months. So that's what I got for you guys. Have an awesome weekend. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your health. LFG guys, I will talk to you soon.